I am pregnant, Sean.
You, I'm not.
Sean, you're laughing to my pregnancy. I'm pregnant.
What's pregnant?
We buy na for the baby.
Why is that pregnant? I'm she's so weak. Give me camera.
Hello, everybody. After Zishan's crazy 14-hour journey, our adventure was only getting started. So ito yung itsura ng Chitral Market dito. Naghahalong init at lamig ang nangyayari at the moment. For the first time ever, we are traveling together outside his village. Traveling with Sean, taray naman. And on this episode, we are going to Upper Chitral. Surrounded by breathtaking mountains at ang nakakalokang rough roads for hours. Every stop along the way felt special because it wasn't just about the destination. It was about sharing the experience together. You first.
I like it chocolate.
Masarap yung sa'yo. And to make this day even memorable, I had one final surprise waiting for Sean. Ngiti-ngiti lang siya. Hindi niya alam. Bayad na yung utang niya. Hindi niya pa alam. A perfect ending to a day we'll never forget. Do you love me?
Yeah, I love you.
This is Kay Toretto from Pakistan. Let's go. Let's do it. No? Everybody, for today's video, gising na si Sean, tapos na ako magtrabaho. We are finally heading to have a lunch. So ayan, dumating na si Sean and Kay in Chitral.
K is 10, so you're not come to the. I'm telling you, yeah, I'm coming. I'm every time free for you.
Every time free for me. So ayan, everybody, for today's video, our first stop is magla-lunch lang kami. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ay, pakilala pala muna ako. This is Kay Toretto. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notifications button on so I'll be able to continue my travel journey to all of you guys. Plus, may plus akong kasama ngayon. Talaga naman. Everybody, tara kumain na tayo. Let's go. I'm so hungry. Welcome to Chitral. You message baby. Baby, it's from Chitral. Baby, yeah. Ano kayang tribo to? Saan tribe kaya to? Ang gwapo nilang magpinsan. Natakot ako sa'yo. Nadulas ka pa. Chicken biryani? Huh? Chicken biryani? Okay, egg. Sean, Thai Park.
Below here. Oh, north of the
Ay. Gwapo rin ito, oh. Wala, face card silang tatlo. Magkakasama. Apat pa lang ng dulo.
What do you like?
Face card to, no? Shukriya. Ay, biryani. The fooding with beans. Nakasama. Ang sarap ng biryani.
This one is the malga.
It's Chitrali. Ito pagkain ni Sean. Everybody, so this is the karugtong of our lunch. We're just gonna walk around the Chitral public market with si Sean. Ayan siya, no? Check mo yan, no? Yung mga ganito siya, no? Kasi, try mo yan. Try mo yan. Para maganda yan. I don't know. First try. Yeah, you try both. So we will see. Parang kailangan ko na rin ng bagong shades. No, this is not good. What is this? Where did you get this? I don't like with this. Simple only. No.
This one?
Okay, try. This is for boys? Okay, try. Boys? Why not sure? Ay, kapareho ng salamin ko. Ganda. Kala mo talaga.
Right now, big, no?
No. Hindi ba rin sa inyo may shades, no? Ay, parang ang ganda naman nun.
Nice, no?
You feel nice, no? It's nice. It doesn't look nice in my eyes. Hindi ako nagagandahan. No. No. So, ito yung itsura ng Chitral Market dito. Ito siya, no? Tignan mo yan. Oh, mas madami yan. Yeah. Normal.
This one.
No, this black is better, but shade is not good for you.
You like na this two is?
I don't know, you like?
No, you like.
Pwede na yan siya. Thank you. Nakabili rin siya. Ako natutuwa lang naman ako sa mga public market, pero hindi naman talaga ako nabili dito. Oo. Kasi saan ko naman ilalagay yan una sa lahat? Punong-puno na yung bag ko. Kung si Anas lang, pwedeng isama dito. Naku, anak kong yun. TikTok agad yan. You make good video, ha?
Then send me, okay?
Okay. Gapo pala.
Let's go.
Ay, tumi-TikTok na siya. Ay, nako, Shan. Kung di nakatalab. I am pregnant, Shan.
You, I'm not.
Shan, you're laughing to my pregnancy. I'm pregnant.
What?
We buy na for the baby.
Why is that pregnant? I'm so weak. Give me camera. Yeah. Okay. Start. Yeah, come.
So everybody, maglalakad-lakad lang tayo. Naghahalong init at lamig ang nangyayari at the moment. But let's go.
I think this market is very, very big.
Ha?
This market is very big, I think.
Shan, you get married now. Then you have baby.
Okay. Okay.
Pinag-anak si Shan. Shan, remove this. You see this? Remove. Show me. So, here people is not good. Here people is not good or good? Good or not?
Wait, no, today is my first day.
Wait. Ay, parang gusto ko kasi you get for you. You like chocolate, right? This one, no?
Yeah.
Oh.
This one, look here.
Look good or no? Okay. May ko kasi cream. Aray. You pay. Pinagbayad. Pinagbayad siya. Salam. You. It's not good. Good or no?
This is good. I like it.
Tay, you first.
I like it chocolate.
Masarap yung sayo.
You tell me is going?
Yeah.
Not understand is every people.
Ay. Hala, cutie-cutie siya, oh.
तो वो म्यूजियम आता है
Hala.
म्यूजियम आता है वो
Diba?
Acha.
Mga normal na nag-drive lang dito yan. Not good, Shan.
What?
Not good.
Not good.
Yeah. What you looking?
Huh?
It's only there, it's near.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very near. I just want to ride.
Yeah. It's 15th September. I'm starting me and Kay friendship, and I'm every time letting people living in.
When did we start the friendship?
Huh?
When we start the friendship?
September 15.
Sure?
Yeah.
How sure?
How sure? 15 September I'm go the village. So you sit the car and come. Hoy hoy.
What? Tandang-tanda niya pa yung unang
Other
paligid.
friends is very every, but I'm a special friend right now.
No.
What?
See, it's near. Ngiti-ngiti lang siya. Hindi niya alam. Bayad na yung utang niya. Hindi niya pa alam. Ganyan siya ka-inosente. I got excited ako sabihin sa
Here
kanya.
start the cooking the tea.
Shan, I tell you something.
Hmm?
I tell you something. Sa Tagalog ko sasabihin, may tumulong sa'yo. Bayad na.
Not now, first
utang
time down.
mo.
Your camera is down now. Guys, every people
Sana
look
naiintindihan
now.
niya. Shucks.
He start here cooking. Look, this is
Gumagawa kasi ako ng chai. That's how it's done. Hello everybody! Ready to explore the beauty of Pakistan? This fall, come experience Pakistan with us in its most magical season. And let's all make an unforgettable moment together. Join our autumn tour this 2026 with your hosts, Kay Toretto and Francis Candier. Batch 4 starts on October 29 and Batch 5 starts on November 12. Price starts at $699 USD for 6 days.
Wow.
From breathtaking landscapes to authentic village life, this is more than just a trip. It's a story that you will remember forever. Limited slots only. Are you ready to explore Pakistan like never before? Message now to reserve your spot. Everybody, this is Kay Toretto. This is the karugtong of my vlog from yesterday with Sean. We are going to Upper Chitral, so let's go. Lagi niyang inaano yung...
Huh?
Lagi niyang pinititripan yung chan ko.
No, I'm not Champo. This is true.
No. Hoy, everybody, you know, ang sabihin ko, do you know na yesterday, last night, before I sleep, nag-iisip ako kung anong content yung ginagawa ko. Tapos nakalimutan ko, I'm taking a break nga pala. So, ayoko mag-isip. So, yung naisip kong gawin na lang is yung... Kasi a lot of people are curious, diba? On like, yung life about being a full-time traveler. Iniisip ko, ano kaya magandang vlog gagawin ko? Pero feeling ko drain kasi ako. So, I'll just show you the truth. Yung... Ito yung normal life ng traveler kapag ano, hindi pong kapag wala kaming ginagawa, we still explore places. So, ito yung private life ko. So, for today's video, I'm sharing you my private life. Yung ginagawa ko sa private life ko. So, ang pahinga ng full-time traveler is to travel pa rin. It's for, para tumingin ng bagong places, to discover new places. Ganun siya. I wasn't supposed to share this kind of things. Kasi ito na mga pribadong, ito na yung mga parang core ko for myself. But today, let's share it. Why not? Parang may masarap na biscuit. Sean, bumili tayo ng biscuit. Sean, do you love me?
No, I don't like it.
Sean. Nandiin ko lang si Sean. Huh? So, in real life po, nilalandi ko talaga si Sean. Do you love me?
Yeah, I love you. Now time is not every life.
Ay! Whole life?
Every life, yeah.
Every life daw. Sabi kahit maging butiki ako, maging uod ako, mahal mo pa din ako.
My age is full, so I think na then marry for this.
Marry me?
Yeah.
No.
What?
No. Okay, yes. Buti na lang, free si Sean. Kasi wala ako sa, nagpapahinga ako. Kasi nag-shoot ako ng almost 1, 2, 3, almost 5 days. Tuloy-tuloy yung shooting ko ng 5 days. So, wala na akong enerhiya. Buti na lang si Sean. Libre siya ngayon. Wala siyang ganap. Ito yung share ko lang huwag kayong mababoard. Kasi this is So this vlog, let's dedicate this for those people who wants to become like a full-time traveler. So ito yung life, magiging life natin when you become one. My God, magiging 3 years na ako nagpo-full-time travel. So ito yung pahinga talaga.
This now.
Sorry?
You're not clean as this now.
It's okay. It's only cover.
Huh?
We will clean.
Cover so clean is very nice.
Okay. You will clean.
Look so clean, nice.
You will
You
clean.
look people. You look. Say na camera. Look this. It's very bad. He is not clean this.
Pagnisin mo yan, sige.
But now I'm go and the bunny. First I'm clean this and I clutch.
Okay.
Huh?
I just say donut na nilangaw.
What?
Donut na nilangaw.
Donut na nilangaw.
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 Yes.
You like nilangaw? Only now.
The donut I like, but the langaw no. Sabi niya, nagpapahinto ako sa bakery sa kinakainan namin kahapon. Kasi bibili ako ulit ng hashtag donut na nilangaw. Pero sa bakery na yon hindi siya nilangaw. So donut lang siya, donut na may sugar. Oh, Sean, this one. Ayan.
Idhar ruko, idhar ruko.
Bas.
Idhar ruko, idhar ruko.
Yes. Yeah, just 2 minutes, okay? I will be back. Hindi mo kaya, pinapahinto yung public transport. Kailangan ko kasi ng hashtag donut na nilangaw. Ang ganda kasi ng luto nila dito, masarap. Same yesterday, Nay? Nay? Ay, hindi available. Ang lungkot naman. Hindi available yung donut na nilangaw. Siya, not available.
I'm not saying.
Ha?
I'm not saying.
You not say me? Sinabi mo ba? Siya, tortang talong. I will cook in Buni, ha? The tortang
So
talong.
wait na first go here, there.
Oo nga.
Then look na every.
Yeah, first we go there. Then we buy the tortang talong. May mangga na. Remember
Okay na.
In the
after
village.
tomorrow. Already first going here, coming in here now.
Okay.
After tomorrow.
Ganito ako everybody pag wala ako sa wisho. Okay lang ako na okay. Yung parang bahala ka na sa mangyayari sa araw na to, okay lang ako. Sino nga ba siya sa puso mo?
So right now, Franco is Banu. Banu, he's
Bano? Buni? Bano? Bano ka, sir?
language is say na Banu.
Bano. Ah, okay, okay. Hindi niya alam may surprise tayo sa kanya mamaya. Advance thank you po sa nagbigay ng something for Sean. Nakakatuwa naman.
Peshawar, Peshawar, Islamabad, Peshawar, Islamabad. Abay, Peshawar, Peshawar, Islamabad, Peshawar. Wow.
Wow, why?
Good car, not Peshawar, Islamabad.
Yeah.
Then that goes to Islamabad, so here.
Yeah.
Okay, now?
Traveling with Sean, taray naman. Good, this one is good.
Yeah.
Front?
Yeah, front. Do you
Okay.
have your visa copy or passport?
Yeah. Have.
All documents we have?
Yeah. Everybody, so mamimili muna tayo ng snacks bago tayo umalis. Kuha akong dalawang Ariel. Can you give me 2? Dopis. Yes. Kuya, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng lace na na kulay violet. Wow. Okay, I will buy. Ito pala small scale. Ay, pareho lang ba to? Dalawa na nga, parang masarap eh. Tsaka ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. Ay, yakmin eh. Okay. Ay, X-minute! May camera! Don't move. Yung camera ko. Okay. It's okay. Pepsi. Tsaka Coke. Naglalaglagan. Kuya. Ay, mas gusto pala ni Sean yung mga mango juice. Mango juice na lang. And then Dopis, Ariel. Gusto mo yung bumili ako ng sabon? Gusto mo yung bumili ako ng sabon out of nowhere? Gusto mo yung namimili ako? Shukriya ba yan? Gusto mo yung namimili ako ng sabon? Kasi nga I told you, I'm gonna be sharing my life as a full-time traveler. Eh, nagamit ko na yung unang dalawa kong sabon. So, pangalawang sabon na tayo. Why are you laughing? Mango juice. See, I'm good. You get this na! Tinatawanan ako ni Sean. I come na, wait na, ek minute. Let's go kay Toretto. Everybody, so the journey has started. Grabe yun, mga 10 minutes na kaming nasa ganitong daan. Ay, shucks, tikan bang magkabungguan. Shoota naman talaga. Sean, what are you doing? Ay, Diyos ko, may pa-speaker pa siyang magaganap. Asa kaya yung social anxiety ni Sean? Alam mo, piling ko ba't kami nagkakasundo nito? Yung interpersonal skill niya, malala din. Kaya niyo kamaibigan, kahit kanino ng malala. 5 sa sila ng driver. Per liter.
Yeah. 400.
400 per liter?
92.
400.94.
Yeah.
Around 78 pesos.
Your password number? Password? Wi-Fi password you send me?
Sean, you love me. You love me.
1, 2, 3,
You love me.
7.
Ang bait ni Sean, no? Kahit iniinis ko siya.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If
stop over, everybody. Let's go. Saglit lang daw to, pero... Ha?
Buni, go to Buni.
Go to Buni. Pagod na daw siya sa biyahe. Sukatin natin yung nose. The nose.
This one.
Good or no?
Good, okay, good.
Ay, shukriya. Ayan na siya, no? Saan na yung beef? Where is the beef? Ahay, the beef is beefing. Grabe yung hangin. May na ako mag-aayos. Magugulo rin naman yung tsura ko. Eh. Alam nyo ba, pag tumawid kayo sa kabila, nasa Tajikistan na kayo. Pagkatapos sa bundok na yan, mga ilang bundok na lang, Tajikistan na kayo. Everybody, so just a quick adventure. We have arrived here in Buni. But we're just gonna go out, do some things outside, check the bazaar. Spare our friend, it's already closed, but still we gotta check it for you guys to see what's in Buni. So, let's go. It's just a quick, just a quick visit in the market lang. Then we'll come back here at our friend's house for dinner. So let's go for a quick adventure sa bazaar. Shan ha? Oh, see, you don't know how.
Come now.
First, you open the bike. Hala, isang bar na lang pala yung battery nito. Wrong timing naman. Dilaw na lang. Everybody, me and Seshan here in Chitral, Buni. Let's go! Mabilisan na kasi nakikita na siya yung daan. Remember the fried chicken, son? Let's buy, ha? Pero, let's buy fried chicken and the cake. Nakikita nyo ba to? Katangahan ko yan. Nasundot ko yung sarili ko. Dumi, oh, hala. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Buisip talaga to. Natusok ko yung sarili ko. Nga po ng security. Hello. Alam nyo ba, super haba ng tulog namin ni Sean. Hindi naman super, pero medyo mahaba. Sean, what time did we sleep? 4? 5? 4? 4:30. 4:30. Almost 3 hours din kami. Nakabawi-bawi kami. Grabe kasi yung biyahe, nakakaloka talaga. So, buti nga, nakabawi kami ng tulog. Yesterday naman dyan. Everybody, pinilit ko nang dumaan kami sa main bazaar today kahit alam ko namang wala talagang masyadong ganap dito. This is the reason why I want you to see it. Kasi may mga... Kung nag-tour kasi ako dito, pinapakita nila to ng one day. Pumupunta sila dito. I told you this is my life kapag hindi ako nagta-travel sa mga talagang pupuntahan. Yung just me being Kay. Kaya kung yung energy ko is hindi pang vlogger, kasi hindi naman pang vlog talaga itong dapat vlog na to. It was supposed to be a private trip, but let's go ahead and share it. Everybody, may pinagdilan sila sa akin na hotel. So alam nyo kasi dito, everybody, they brought me somewhere. This is like, you know in Pakistan, they get a miss sa mga hotel. It's a big business here. Yung magtayo ka ng hotel, kaya alam mo kahit trip lang, para kunyari na kumita ka lang ng pera, and then magbibuild ka ng hotel, parang it's a thing or kind of become a culture also here in Pakistan. Kumbaga sa Pinas, kung may, ano ba, hindi ko masabi. Basta dito yung parang, yung pamilya mo, ay may hotel ka, may yung ganon. Pero not in a mayabang way. Parang it's an achievement for them. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. Wala, ganito ako. Ito ako, everybody. Kung kunyari kung hindi ko to iba-vlog, ganito lang yung gagawin ko. Upo lang ako dito. I'll just mingle with the locals. Maglalakad-lakad lang ako sa mga, sa mga supermarket, sa mga palengke. Tapos kung saan ako dali ng mga kasama ko, ganun ako. But when I'm doing my vlogs, doon ako nagiging parang strict na this is what I wanted to do. Because I wanted to turn out the way I wanted to. Mali yun. Bakit? Naintindihan nyo, pwede na yan. Pakita mo na, aliw sa session. The white flowers. It's real? Real pala yan. Is your feelings for me real also, Sean? Ha? Wait na. Busy yan. Is your feelings for me also real or no? Real na? Busy siya. Gawin lang sila, oh. Sabi ko sa inyo na, aliw sila sa inyo. Lalo na pag jowa mo pa tayo. Ang ending, siya pa yung magpapapicture. No. Garam siya. Remember, it's garam. I'll check. One more, normal. No, the light. Shan, I tell you something. And you listen to me. Okay? Very, very, very important. Okay? Everybody, this is gonna be the last part of my vlog. And we have something for si Shan. Ilang araw, yung mga 2 days ko nang tinatago sa kanya to. I'm keeping something, I'm hiding something from him for 2 days. Do you remember the store? Remember why I asked you?
So, remember you asked me?
This is the mango shake store?
Yeah, this is
The front?
The front. Yeah.
Remember,
It's very remember.
you need to pay something to them, right? Every time you go home, you pay something to them, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
So you give me the money, so pen.
I already gave you before,
Yeah.
but I know, but
Something.
oh, diba? I already paid before, just so you know everybody. Kasi yung mga iba dyan bashers, syempre, kinlear na natin yun. You know, Shan?
What is this?
Count how much?
Ah,
Count. It's good or no?
it's very good. Yeah, right.
It's good?
It's very, very nice. Nice. It's really
Someone give
nice.
that to you.
Yeah. Huh?
Someone give that to you. You know 2 nights before,
Yeah.
someone messaged me.
Yeah.
Can I give something to Zishan?
Something to the channel.
They give this to you.
Thank you. It's very nice. So thank you.
You're happy?
Again. Very. Very.
You say thank you to this guy. Wait. This is the guy's name. You use it for the family, huh?
Hmm?
You use it for the family, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Say
Come to the
just...
family now.
And you know why they give you this?
Hmm?
You know why they give you this? Say thanks to...
Uh-huh.
Thank you, G. G.
Thank you, G.
To the camera. Thank you, G.
G,
Thank you very much.
That is
That's the name.
Yeah.
That's the name.
That's the name.
That's the name. G.
G.
Yeah. So he's from...
G's name?
Yeah, he's from the Philippines.
Is it from? Yeah, Philippines.
Yeah, G from the
I see.
Philippines. So
G.
thank you.
That's very thank you, yeah.
You're happy. siya.
I'm very happy. I'm not thinking so this happy is really nice. Man, coming like troll and going, coming. Wow. It's beautiful, beautiful. I'm not thinking so this is.
You know, the 2 days ago? You know why I video you? Why I'm
Yeah.
making chai? I already have it.
Ah,
But I'm waiting for this moment to give it to you now.
thank you, thank you. Okay, so thank you.
Because you are responsible to your family.
Yeah,
You take care of your family.
yeah.
And,
Thank you.
And they see that, and then he wants to give this to you.
To give this. It's really
It's,
nice.
yeah, it's big help na. It's not from
Big
me,
help.
okay?
What?
It's not from me.
It's from Jay.
Yeah, okay.
Jay,
Just so to be
really
clear.
thank you, Really thank
Hindi ako
you.
nagtitake ng credit. Sorry naman. It's not from me. So,
Yeah.
thank you.
Really thank you, yeah, bro. It's
So,
good,
again, everybody, san, you're happy.
it's very
I am more happy
not
for you.
small.
Not small. It's very big happiness.
Yes, very
But
big
I am more happy for you. Everybody, again, this is Kay Toretto, and this is where I'm going to be ending this episode with Sean. I hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog. Wherever you are, wherever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. I hope you enjoy watching this private trip of mine.
Yeah.
So again, ito yung mga moment na hindi ko na talaga nire-record. Kahit kasama ko pa si Sean, maraming moment kami magkasama na siya, hindi talaga naka-record. Kaya, wala lang. Because I'm just really enjoying the moment. Gusto ko kasi parang balance pa rin yung social media ko sa nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi ito yung pinaguhugutan ko eh. Kasi you know how toxic social media is, right?
Okay.
And this is just one of my way parang to give back to myself, to enjoy the moment. Gusto ko maging traveler, gusto ko maging full-time vlogger, but still gusto ko pa rin talaga balance. So I do a lot of private trips. And ito yun, isa to sa mga private trips ko, but I'm sharing it to you today. Just so you see, kaya nakita niyo yung vlog, parang kalmado lang siya. Kasi ganun talaga yung ginagawa ko in life. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
I'm then say, so Jay, you're so thank you, yeah. Really, really thank you, yeah. I'm not see you. I'm not C.
Yeah,
It's
it's
my first time, so he's telling me. He's saying me, so let's give the J. Let's give
G.
G.
Yeah, G.
Sorry, G. Sorry, J.
It's okay,
Let's
Gigi. I
give the
don't know
G.
also.
Yeah, let's give the G. So G is really nice. Yeah, my work is not, so he understand now. I mean, my time is
Just few
Uh,
days.
12:30
It's okay, I tell the
now.
story.
Yeah, 12:30 days, so I'm free and not working, so my home is a problem every
But
time.
now,
Yeah,
but
I'm
now-
the home big boy.
but
the
now-
dad. Now I'm very happy, my problem every is finished.
Everybody, kasi yun nangyari the last time. It's okay, I tell the story of what happened to you.
Yeah.
There are people who carry their struggles quietly. And Sean, he is one of them. A few weeks ago, he took a short 2-day vacation to visit his family in the village. It was nothing unusual, just a chance to see his loved ones before returning to work. But when he came back, everything changed. Without warning, he was told that he no longer had a job. Just like that, the work he depended on was gone. Then for 2 days, nobody could reach him. His phone was silent, no messages, no updates. I was worried. We were all worried. Tawag sa akin kapatid niya, pinsan niya, malungkot sa bahay nila. Every hour felt longer than the last, wondering where he was and if he was okay. On the second night, finally, nagring phone ko and it was him. His voice sounded tired but calm. He told me not to worry. He wasn't in danger. He had simply been roaming from place to place, asking around, searching for any job he could find. While most people would have been overwhelmed by the situation, Shan chose to keep moving forward instead of giving up. The call reminded me of something important. Strength doesn't always look loud or dramatic. Sometimes, strength is a person walking alone through uncertainty, carrying disappointment in their heart, yet still determined to find a way forward. And that's exactly who he is. A fighter who refuses to stop even when life suddenly changes the plan. You look happy, Sean.
you
You
learn-
look so happy. Ay, grabe, ang saya niya. I told you, thank you very much.
It's very thank you. He say, if you control your mind, you can change your life.
Ay, taray naman to. Oh, ikasa mo yan.
So
If you
then
control your mind,
then
you
I'm
can change
thinking
your
na-
life.
Then I'm thinking, yeah, this is very good talk. Mind is control, life is change. But my mind is not control, guys. My mind is not control.
Ay, nako, Sean.
Today night is very beautiful. I'm look the every old.
Sean, you happy? Someone give it to you.
So happy, not small. Yeah.
Huh? What?
It's so happy, not small happy. Yeah.
Big happy?
The G, your,
Only G. What about me?
huh? Yes,
Selosa.
my God. Yes,
Joke
my
lang.
heart. Yeah.
Joke lang. Makikipagkompetensya pa. Sa ulo talaga. Hoy, bonus clip. Really thank you.
Really thank you.
Appreciate it.
It's my side.
Yeah. Happy si Sean.
It's really
Hush.
happy. Yeah, really
Hush,
happy.
Ang saya niya. I told you, magiging masaya to. Alam mo ba, 2 days ago na yan. Parang umanap lang ako ng perfect moment para maibigay sa kanya. Gusto ko yung relax kami, kalmado kami from the biyahe. Ganun lang yung gusto ko. Kaya alam nyo, hindi ako tinatablan ng mga bashing.
My hotel chair is here.
Kasi I know yung nangyayari talaga sa akin in real life. Masaya ako sa totoong buhay. Marami akong mga ginagawa in life na
You want video? Not
masaya ako.
Huh?
Dero, subuto.
No,
Hit. No? Thank you all very much. Please, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.